Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Easter craft is probably one of the most fun and creative ways to celebrate this joyous holiday, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash your imagination and create memorable keepsakes or festive decorations. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a complete beginner, there's an Easter craft out there for you, from simple projects perfect for kids to more intricate designs that will challenge and delight experienced crafters. So, join me as we explore the wonderful world of Easter crafts and discover some amazing ideas to make this Easter extra special. Number 5. Purple Ladybug SunGemmers. It's a complete kit. You get pre-printed designs, stickers, tape, and instructions, everything needed to start creating right away. This enhances fine motor skills and cognitive development. Kids can create beautiful, vibrant window art that will add sparkle to any room. It's a clean and easy craft. Kids will be entertained while making dazzling window art, with no messy cleanup. It's a winner. This kit has received multiple awards for its creative and educational value. It comes in a beautiful box, ready for gifting. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. There are many more designs to explore. Find the perfect kit for endless crafting fun. What we like? It's an award-winning brand, ensuring high quality and engaging design. The mess-free nature makes it perfect for parents who want easy cleanup. If you are looking for a creative and educational activity to boost your child's imagination, this is the one for you. What people say. These are amazing for kids. Great variety. The final products turned out great, and my kids would do another one. Adorable, instructions are easy to follow. Number 4. JOYIN 24 Magnetic Tiles Art Kit. Introduce your child to the JOYIN 24 Magnetic Tiles Art Kit. It's a complete set that sparks imagination and allows them to create their own masterpieces. This kit is packed with everything needed for hours of fun. It includes 24 tiles, paints, glitter, gems, and more, all in one box. The magnetic tiles are simple to use, even for younger children. It's a great way to encourage creativity and a love for art. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. It's perfect for parties, family time, or just a fun afternoon activity. Let your child's imagination run wild. It meets US toy safety standards, so you can rest assured it's safe for your child. We use premium materials to ensure lasting fun. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to help and ensure you have a joyful experience. What we like? This kit is a super value pack with tons of materials included. The unique magnetic tile design offers a fresh approach to painting. If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity that provides hours of entertainment, this is a great option for your kids. What people say. It offers a lot for the price. They are applied like temporary tattoos and you just cut the image you want, remove plastic layer, then take wet paper towel and apply with a bit of even pressure. Everything else was included. These are fun and cute, and it's easy to do. It was the perfect quantity for the whole camp class. The ages in the class ranged from 5 to 10 and everyone had fun making them. It was easy to use and had a lot of options. Number 3. Oriental Cherry Easter Craft Kit. It's an Easter craft kit that lets kids create their own unique ornaments. This kit has everything they need to make 48 beautiful decorations. You get 48 colorful shapes, 24 scratching tools, and 48 ribbons for hanging. It's a complete set, ready for fun. It's an ideal activity for kids on rainy days or any time they need a creative outlet. Perfect for classrooms, parties, or just at home. Kids will love decorating these adorable bunnies, chicks, and eggs. Watch them reveal a rainbow of colors with each scratch. It's a fantastic way to improve hand-eye coordination, boost creativity, and build fine motor skills. It's also great for pretend play and building self-confidence. This Easter, let your child's imagination run wild with this fun and engaging craft kit. It's a perfect gift for any creative child. What we like? It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for even the youngest crafters. You get to make 48 ornaments. If you're looking for a simple yet fun craft for a classroom, church group, or party, this is perfect for you. What people say. I sent this craft to several children ages 3 to 9 to do over spring break and they all loved it. It kept them happily busy for hours, then they helped parents decorate their homes. Super easy to use and it was perfect for the kindergarten class that I bought it for and my 2-year-old liked it also. Low mess too. This Easter craft was a hit with both kindergartners and 3rd graders. My kids and I enjoyed doing them, too. Number 2. Worgree DIY Wooden Magnets. It's a complete arts and crafts kit, perfect for kids to express their imagination. They'll love making their own unique designs. This set includes 36 wooden shapes, 12 colored pens, and magnet stickers. Kids can personalize them and decorate any magnetic surface. Suitable for children aged 4 to 12, it's a great activity for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. These DIY magnets make a wonderful and unique gift. They're beautifully packaged and ready for giving. The wooden cutouts are made of smooth, natural wood, making them easy and safe for little hands to paint. They are ready for your child's creative touch. With various shapes like animals, fruits, and holiday themes, the possibilities are endless. Let your child's imagination run wild. What we like. This kit lets kids create their own unique magnets. The wooden crafts offer a natural and tactile experience. If you are looking for a unique and creative gift that kids can personalize, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Easy to do, washable markers, bright colors, perfect size, good quality, no stickiness, creative and not just for kids. It comes with a ton of wood pieces and the markers work good enough to use for all of them, easy to use, a 5-year-old assembled almost all of them, and they don't seem to fall apart. Liked how they had given nice sticky magnets for the wood shapes. Made finishing the project super easy. Number 1. Max Fun Easter Craft Kit. Get ready for hours of fun with our Easter craft kit. It's packed with everything you need to create colorful and unique Easter ornaments. This kit includes 48 scratch papers with 12 different patterns, colorful cords, drawing sticks, pens, and a brush. Everything is safe and durable for kids to use. Simply use the wooden stylus to scratch away the black surface and reveal a rainbow of colors. Let your imagination run wild creating unique designs. Create eggs, rabbits, carrots, and more. These ornaments are perfect for adding a personal touch to your Easter celebrations. They make wonderful party favors, Easter basket stuffers, or hanging decorations. It's a great way to add some homemade holiday cheer. Perfect for parties, art classes, family fun days, or any other fun activity. Get creative and make this Easter extra special. What we like. The scratch-off reveals vibrant rainbow colors. It's super easy for kids to use and create their own designs. If you need fun and easy party favors for an Easter celebration, this is a great option. What people say. These are super cute and fun crafts for Easter. Make your own little ornaments. Great for kids. Super easy to make. These were fun and easy with minimal cleanup. The kids required minimal help and they had a lot of fun decorating these and hanging them around the house as Easter decorations. Great for crafts and kept the kids occupied. I love that they can scratch one side and color the other, 2 activities in one. Entertained kids 3 to 10 this past Easter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.